Hello everyone, I'm Xiaoning Tang from China, a screw mold factory. Today, I would like to share with you the common materials of screws. Our commonly used screw materials are carbon steel, stainless steel, stainless iron, copper, aluminum, and carbon steels. It is divided into low carbon steel, medium carbon steel, high carbon steel, and alloy steel. Generally, low carbon steel is like 1008 to 1022. Ordinary screws from level 4.8 to level 6.8. Medium carbon steel 1035 for grade 8.8 screws. High carbon steel alloy steel like 1045, 10B21, 40 law, SCM 435 for grade 10.9 and 12.9 grade high strength screws. So we will share other materials next time.